if you're wanting to know how to make some lit chicken wings, you're in the right place at the right time. Come on in, guys. Hey guys, how's it going today? Welcome to Gemmalicious TV. I hope you're all doing well and feeling fabulous as always. Mwah. So guys, today we are back in my kitchen and today we are going to be cooking up some nice, hot, spicy chicken wings. Jeez! KFC style. Well, hopefully it's going to be better than KFC because it's got our little Gemmalicious touch, so you know it's gonna be extra delicious, hence why they call me Gemmalicious. No, only joking, guys. Cut! So as I said, guys, today we will be making some spicy hot wings, and today's video is inspired by Dunn's River. So today we'll be using the Dunn's River hot and spicy chicken fry mix. We'll also be using their all-purpose seasoning, and you're also going to need, you guys, some chicken wings, obviously, some salt, some pepper, some garlic seasoning, some eggs, and some cooking oil, or if you want to use olive oil, do your thing, however you like it, baby. It's your way or the highway around here. So once you've washed your chicken, guys, wash it. You can wash it however you like, with your lemon, your lime, however you wash your chicken, rinse it, make sure that it is fresh up. We can then add our seasoning. Once you finish mixing that all together, guys, you should have something that looks like this. Chicken look good, rubbed on good, seasoned up good, smelling good. So next, guys, you're going to get a separate bowl and you're going to crack a few eggs into this bowl. Let's get cracking. I just want to whisk that all together. Whisk it up. Whisk it up. Then, guys, you want another bowl, because in this bowl you are going to put your Dunn's River chicken fry mix in. So that's what I'm about to do now. So now, guys, we have our chicken wings seasoned up here. We have our eggs mixed in a separate bowl here. And we have our Dunn's River hot and spicy chicken fry mix in a separate bowl laid out here. You want to fill the frying pan up with oil, enough to give the chicken enough to fry. So guys, step one, what you want to do is take a fork and get one of your chicken wings on a fork. Step two, you want to get your chicken on the fork and dunk it into the egg. You want to make sure, guys, that the egg completely covers your chicken wing. So you want to make sure that everywhere gets some egg on it. For step three, guys, you want to take your dunked chicken and you want to now coat it in the Dunn's River hot and spicy chicken mix, which we have here. Completely cover this wing in the chicken, guys. Make sure it is completely covered. There's not a piece missing. Your chicken completely covered should be looking something like this, completely covered, and then we're gonna add that to the oil. The oil should be nice and heated so that it just starts to simmer down nicely as if it is in a deep fryer. And then, guys, you're going to keep on repeating that process until you've got all of your chicken wings done. So let's go. Start doing some more. So you take your chicken wing, as I said, add it to the egg mix, Make sure it's completely covered in egg. And then we take that drippy chicken and we add it to the mix. And we cover that up and so forth. This is what they're looking like now, guys. Frying up, looking nice and golden. And you just want to keep turning them around, making sure they're cooked evenly on each side. Looking good, baby. So guys, the wings are cooking down nice. They're frying down good and simmering. And I'm just going to finish them off and then poof. And here we have it, guys, our hot and spicy chicken wings by your girl, Gemmalicious. Jeez! And guys, I just had one and they taste as good as they look. Like, they're so scrumptious. Like, they haven't got too much spice, which I like, so I don't like too much spice. They got the right amount of spice. The texture of them is just great. I mean, like, look at that, guys. This is, I have to say, sorry, but they're actually better than KFC wings. Gemma does everything better. No, but seriously, guys, these are lit. Like, if you try them out, guys, be sure to comment below and let me know how they tasted. But I guarantee you guys, you will not be disappointed by the Gemmalicious recipe to your hot and spicy chicken. But thank you guys for watching Gemmalicious TV, and if you haven't done so already, you know what to do. Hit up that subscribe button and join the Gemmalicious family. Loads more videos coming your way. You know how it goes. Gemmalicious, saying you the way all day, every day. Hot spicy wings, everything turn up. No, I'm only joking. But thanks guys for watching, and I shall catch you guys in my next video. But right now I am off to go and enjoy my chicken wings, because look at them, they look good, innit? Good dance for them, guy, you are. Good dance for them. Good dance for them, guy, you are. Jeez! Walk out with your friend. Ciao guys, have a lovely day, evening, morning, night, whatever time it is for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video by Gemmalicious. Ciao.
Coulda see them gyal who a coulda see them. Coulda see them gyal who a coulda see them. So walk out with your friend. Jump around and jump around. Tell her dirty gyal, my back, my blood clot back. As she a chat, you know she really can't. My back.
Welcome into the Gemmalicious house. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope that you found. I can't take myself serious sometimes, I really can't. So guys, the wings are flying. They're flying, like literally across my kitchen. No, really joking. A big thank you for watching Gemmalicious TV. Gemma what? Gemma who? Gemma me? Gemmalicious. Cause I'm delicious, Gemmalicious. Cause I'm delicious. Cooked. Amazing, right the way through, you know, proper chicken. Better than Morley's, better than KFC, better than Metro, better than ABC, DFA, whatever they call it. This is the Gemmalicious chicken, and when I tell you this thing lit, I mean it's lit. Say no more. Guys, I eat my chicken wings to like this degree. How do you guys eat your chicken wings? Some people crown them, but this is the lot for me. Don't forget, guys, can make the body fat. No, really joking.